What's up guys, it's Avocado Man, and today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a YouTube subscriber. Okay, so first what you want to do is open up a new tab and click on the first link in the description. That should take you to a website, something like this. After you get here, you want to press Make It. After you press that, you should get here. After you get here, you want to press Replace. Click to upload. Then you want to take your logo and put that right there. After that, you want to press Export GIF. And wait for it to load. After it finishes exporting, you should reach a website looking something like this. As you can see, there's a watermark there, but we can easily remove that by signing in. And then you want to press continue with Google, and then it'll ask you to sign in, and then you just want to wait for it to load again, because as you can see here, now it says watermark free, so they're removing the watermark. After you sign in, you should reach a website similar to the one before. And now you can see that the watermark isn't there. Now all you have to do is press download. And then save it. And that's downloaded. But wait, that's not it. This is a GIF, and most video editors don't use GIFs as like a video. So we have to convert this GIF into an MP4. To do that, we have to go to the second link in the description. Once you get there, you should reach a website like this. All you want to do is choose File, and then find the GIF image, and press Upload. And as you can see, it's loading and it's uploading the image. Just wait until it loads. After it loads, you should see something like this. What you want to do is press Convert GIF to MP4. After you do that, there should be another video down here, and you just want to press Save to that. And name it whatever you want to. Save. And now you're done. You can use this using any video editor. Just go on YouTube and search how to picture-in-picture with your video editor. And thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. Be sure to share, comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!